Good morning.
Good morning.
You beautiful brave hearts. You beautiful souls. It's Tora and
Kevin.
Coming to you, and we are on day 19 of the Couples Connection. And one a day is called what happens when your whole life becomes a love affair. We've been together for 7 years, and this incredible Couples Connection, this challenge with Dr. Wolf has set us for 33 days. Good morning, Ivon. How are you, gorgeous one? And it's just magic, after sort of 7 years of going together, and then the last 3 years, it's Andrea, hello beautiful, the last 3 years which have been, they've really challenged us, turned everything inside out and upside down and wrung us out like a really smelly face washer. But this Couples Connection has just been the most incredible thing. And what we're realizing, because we're really have dived deep over especially the last 6 months of really choosing to become souls that dance together rather than just being in relationship, which most of the time ended up being a relationship because all the external stuff was really starting to weigh us down. But we have found our brave hearts, and we have found the deep unconditional love that we have for ourselves, and in that beauty of that, everything around us is starting to change. And what we have found is that it's like from the moment you wake in the morning, this deep level of gratitude of the life that we are creating and we are building, the relationship that we are building, the line that we are holding for our family, and it's just this radiating effect. We're like honeybees that really just nourish and collect the pollen from the world around us, and then share that and give that to other people. And it's just we feel so blessed.
It's just amazing the people we're meeting now, and how the kids are just changing without we haven't really said much. They've just sort of noticed our connection getting stronger, and they're just starting to really complete change and be happier and helping, and there's so much stuff. People we're bumping into is just amazing, like beautiful people, and it's just a fantastic thing, and all we've done is improve our thought process and just stop the programs running, and it's just beautiful. And
when we crack our coconut from the inside out and we learn to drink the juice, the nectar, it's actually nectar, and it's love nectar. And what we're really realizing is that the life we are creating, we are so grateful to be working together as New World practitioners, as a whole life coach. The number one job is to honor, love and respect ourselves every day individually, and do that for each other and hold space for the people around us, but in really healing ourselves and letting our stories go, and we are then able to share that with others. And we are both so deeply passionate about really activating the brave heart, the healer, the warrior, and within the beautiful brothers and sisters that we meet. And life we're not here to suffer and to be in restriction and constriction, and we are here to flourish and to fly, to first love ourselves. And only in that can we really taste what it is to be alive. And most people I see, they sort of die with 29 and finally get buried with 60, 70 or 89. And this is not a dress rehearsal. So let's honor, love and respect. Let's fall in love with ourselves. Create magic in every day, and baby gentle steps. You don't have to change everything. Rome wasn't built in a day, but baby loving steps. So being really conscious in the morning when you connect with your breath, and then through the day, nourishing yourself with beautiful high vibrational food, drinking beautiful structured ionized water during the day, and the relationships, and just not being there for people that really disturb that energy. So being a spiritual gatekeeper for your environment, for your children's environment, that the people that you hang around with.
Just sort of you cut out the negative people, cut out all the people that make you feel bad or guilty or whatever. Don't be guilty. Just just be strong, and 3, 2, 1, I've got this, and get over it. Just move on, because you'll meet some beautiful people. When you let it all go, you're going to your life is going to change. It's fantastic.
And together with the incredible BraveHearts who have taken the whole life coach, which took place at Nimbaka Heads in August, and at the moment we are, I think, on day 8 of the Wolf Non-Surgical, the most powerful transformational body work in the world. And then from the 4th to the 6th we are holding the pain-free pelvis and disease prevention for women, which is an extraordinary activation to really connect with the divine feminine, with what it is to be woman, and to really stand in our power and divinity and activate the healing potential and the deep love and nourishment. You know, humans were the only living race in the world that were actually created for pleasure, and most of us are so disconnected from that. So if you are sick and tired of being sick and tired, and you know that your number up and it's time for you to start, then please reach out for a Perfect Day Consultation, and together we will craft with you your perfect day on an emotional, physical and spiritual level. And it's the perfect day that will last a lifetime. As you grow, as you learn to fly, you will connect with your divinity, with what it is to be ultimately healthy and alive. So reach out. And we also offer the Wolf Non-Surgical, the most powerful body treatment in the world, and it's really about getting the issues out of your tissues and regenerating the body, and being a teenager again. When we get old, being sick and stiff and constricted it's absolutely not necessary. So really take massive personal action, and you can reach out to us by calling my number, which is 041 399 3493, or emailing me at Tora, THORA, at tklifestylesolutions.com, or
Kevin at tklifestylesolutions.com, or 0427 728 168. And if you want a nice, beautiful place to come and have a rest, look at what's here. It's just amazing. There's plenty of beautiful places in the world, but I'll tell you what, we just love this area. It's just beautiful.
So come and join us for a personal treatment and training, and we will curate the ultimate healing activation experience for you. We will nourish you from the minute you rise to when you gently close your eyes. And we will also offer from October, November, the Power Pack of Healing. So high energy and frequency medicine, the Cell Sonic. And it's just the ultimate in unlocking, breaking down, calcification, scar tissue adhesions and things like that. So take massive personal action and choose your brave heart. And life is so short. As I said before, it's not a dress rehearsal. It's time to rise and to shine together and join our Brave Heart Nation. And if you would like to join us on the training next year, we are holding the Whole Life Coach twice, 31st of August and 31st of July and the 14th of August, followed by the Wolf Non-Surgical and followed by the Pain-Free Pelvis. You can go to bhnuniversity.com. All the information is there. And I will also be hosting a BraveHeart Health and Healing Circle in the Coffs Harbour Coast area the first weekend of December. And it's just a beautiful, intimate experience to really start opening up from the inside out, finding your brave heart, activating the healer within, and creating the beautiful life that you have come here to live.
Treat yourself. That's the thing. Look after yourself first.
So sending you so much love wherever you are in the world. 3, 2, 1, you've got this.